Hello everyone, myself Dr. Upendra Kumar. I am Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, IET Lucknow. So, today I am going to discuss on a topic red black tree insertion of design and analysis of algorithm. So, in previous lecture we have seen, so what is red black tree, why we need red black tree. So, what are the properties of red black tree, and if you are going to perform insert and delete operation in red black tree. So, what kind of violations may occur, all those things would be discussed in our previous lecture. And also to overcome those violations, we need to perform some recoloring and rotations. So, we have also discussed in the left rotation and right rotation in previous lecture. Today in this lecture we are going to discuss about how we can perform the insertion operation in red black tree and how we can resolve the violations that have occurred during insertion of a node in red black tree. Now just see, so our objective is we want to insert a node Z into red black tree by using a procedure RB insert TZ. So we want to insert a new node Z into red black tree. So, what we will do? First we will follow a binary search tree rule property. So, by using binary search tree property, we will insert that new node into red black tree. Then the second step is we will give it a color, a red color to that particular new node. So, what will happen if we insert a new node and we are giving a color red? So, definitely some violations of property may occur. So, how we can resolve those violations? So, basically we will use a auxiliary procedure, that is RB insert fix up operation. Just see here. So, if we talk about RB insert fix up operation, so definitely this procedure will be called to resolve the problem which have arise during these operations. Now just see, suppose this is a red black tree and you want to insert a particular node, suppose you want to insert a node 33. Okay. So, first of all we will see the binary search tree property in order to insert this new node. So, this is a new node Z. So, it will be compared with 25. Now, it is greater than 25. So, it would somewhere added in this right subtree. Now, it is again compared with 40. So, it is less than 40. So, it would be added somewhere here in this left subtree. Now, again compared with 35. So, it is less than 35 and there are no more nodes available. So, now this 33, will be added as a left child of 35 and we will give a color to this node red. Just see what kind of violations now arrived over here. Now, just see here the 3 consecutive red nodes, they have come across in a particular path. So, basically this is a violation of property 4, because property 4 says that no 2 red color nodes should occur in a particular path simultaneously. No consecutive 2 red nodes may occur in any path in a red black tree. So, this is basically a violation of property number 4. So, see what kind of violations that may occur. The first property is every node is either red or black. So, we are adding a new node with red color. So, no problem. So, with this property we do not have any problem. Now, with this property, if suppose the red black tree is empty and we are going to insert a new node Z, so that would become the root node. Now, we are giving the color red. So, this property would be violated because the color of root node must be black. Now, the third, every leaf nil is black. So, since we are here, we are not adding a nil node here. So, with this property we are okay. Now, if a node is red, then both its children are black. So, this property is not okay, because suppose you are going to insert a node, new node Z having color red. So, it may be that its parent is already red color. So, there will be 2 consecutive red color nodes. So, this is basically a case of violation of property number 4. Now, if you talk about the fifth property, since we are adding a red color node, so with this property this property is not going to be violated, because the total number of black nodes in any path would not be changed, because here we are going to insert a red color node. Now, just see how we resolve these violations. So, for to resolve these violations, we need to call another function, that is RB insert fixup function, which would be the algorithm would be discussed later on here. Here we are going to discuss the functionality. So, basically there are three cases: case first, case second and case third. So, case first have two sub cases, case 1a, case 1b. Now, what is case 1a? Now, the new node which you have inserted in a red black tree, the new node uncle y is red color and parent of z is a red. If this is the case, then this is the case first A. Just see here in this diagram, you have added a new node z over here, you have given a color red over here. Now, just see uncle z uncle is what? Z uncle means the brother or sister of its parent is A. So, parent of z is A. So, the brother or sister of A is what? D. D is basically the sibling of A. So, D is what? D is the uncle of Z over here. Now, just see. So, the uncle name is given Y. So, the uncle of Z is Y given over here. Now, just see color of Y is what? Color of Y is red and color of its parent is also red. So, basically this is the case first A. And other case is J must be a right child of its parent. Also see here Z is the right child of its parent. So, now this is the case first. So, what we do in this case? We recolor what? Its parent node, its uncle node and also its grandparent node. Just see here, its parent is A, its grandparent is C and its uncle is D. So, we recolor it with different color, means the color of parent and the uncle will become black. So, now just see here, we are assigning a black color to its parent as well as its uncle, and we are assigning a red color to its parent of parent, means its grandparent. Grandparent is what? C. So, we are assigning a black color to, basically we are assigning a red color to its parent of parent. Just see here, the color of parent has become black, the current of uncle becomes black and the current and the color of its grandparent becomes red. Now, the last point is that now new Z becomes parent of Z. So, this grandparent becomes new Z over here. So, all these operations is basically performed in case 1a. Now, this new Z basically its grandparent has become the new Z. Now, it may be possible that it may be case that if it is the subtree of the red black tree, it may be the case that again case 1a may occur. So, this process will be repeated till we get the parent of Z black. Once we get the parent of Z black, all the cases will be handled and finally the red black tree will be perfect. Okay. Now, just see case 1b. Case 1b is very exactly similar to the case 1a, but the difference is here Z is the left child of its parent. All the cases would be same, but Z will be the left child of its parent. Just see here, Z is the left child of its parent, its parent color is red, its uncle color is red, both are red, but here the Z is the left child of its parents. So, we perform the same operations, we recolor the parent as well as its uncle and also its grandparent. So, the color of parent and uncle will become black. Just see here, the black color is assigned to its parent and uncle and red color is assigned to its grandparent. So, the color of grandparent has become red. Now, finally, the grandparent would become Z. So, both are the same cases. Now, next is case third. Basically, before case 2 we are going to discuss case 3, because what we do in case 2, we convert the case 2 to case 3. So, first we need to discuss case 3, then we will discuss the case 2. So, what is the case 3? In case 3, the important point is that Z uncle must be black. Just see here, Z uncle must be black. In case 1a and 1b, Z uncle Y was red, while in this case the Z uncle Y will be black. and next is parent of Z is red. This is mandatory condition, every cases parent of Z must be red color. Okay. Now, first is Z is a left child, Z is a left child. Just see here in this diagram, its parent is red and Z is a left child of its parent and its uncle Y, although the color is not shown here, but here we are considering that the color of Y is black. So, color of Y is black, it may be a nil node also, a nil node always a black color. So, this node must be a black color. So, this is a black color. So, in that this and its parent is also red color. So, this is the case third and Z is the left child of its parent. So, what we do in case third, we recolor both the parent as well as its grandparent. We don't change the color of its uncle, but we change the color of its parent as well as its grandparent. A black color is assigned to its parent, just see here, and a red color is assigned to its grandparent. So, the color of B will become black and the color of C will become red, but the color of Y will remain constant as a black. Okay. Now, third is right rotate with respect to grandparent. Now, we need to rotate this subtree with respect to grandparent. So, grandparent is what? Grandparent is C, just see here, C is the grandparent of Z. So, we need to right rotate. So, what will happen in right rotation means clockwise rotation. So, now B will become parent, C will become the child node. Then what would happen about this gamma? Gamma is the right child of B. So, this right child of B will become after rotation the left child of C. Just see here, this gamma has become the left child of C. Now, C has become the child node and B has become the parent node. So, we are performing the right rotation over here. Just see here, the parent of Z is what? The color of parent of Z is black. Now, once the color of parent of Z becomes black, now all the cases are resolved and you are having the complete red black tree. Now, this is the case third. Now, what about the case 2? Case 2, the Z uncle must be black, it is okay as a case 3, but the parent and also the parent of Z should be red, it is also similar to the case 3, but Z must be a right child of its parent. In case third, it was a left child, while in case second, it is a right child. So, what we do? Just see here, Z uncle Y is black, although it has not been shown, but it is black. Now, just see, Z is the right child of its parent. This is Z and this is parent of Z. This is parent of Z. This is Z, this is parent of Z, this is grandparent of Z. Now, just see, the color of Y is black and color of parent of Z is red and Z is the right child of its parent. So, this is case second. So, we convert into case 3. How we convert it? Now, parent of Z becomes Z. Now, this parent of Z, would become Z. Earlier it was Z, now this parent of Z would become the parent of Z, this parent of Z would become the Z. Now, what we do? We perform the left rotation with respect to Z. So, if we perform a left rotation here with respect to Z anti-clockwise, so this B will become parent, A will become the left child. Just see here, B has become parent and A has become the left child. And what about the beta? So, beta now becomes the right child of A. Okay. Now, just see, this is what the case. So, this is Z is the left child of its parent, color of Y is black, color of parent of Z is red and Z is the left child of his parent. So, basically this is the case third. So, now we will apply this case third over here and finally, we will get the violation as resolved. Now, just see, this is the RB insert fix up operation. We have added a new node Z over here. So, because of the Z some violation has occurred. So, we need to fix that those violations. So, to fix up those violations we need to call this function RB insert fix up. Now, see, it starts from this condition. This while loop will run until the color of parent of Z is red. If it becomes black, so automatically it will be come out, it will be terminated from the while loop and you will have the perfect red black tree. Now, this loop will be repeated until parent of Z has the color red. Now, if parent of Z is the left of parent of parent, if parent of Z is the left child of its parent, just here in this example, this is Z, this is parent of Z and this is parent of Z. So, this parent of Z is what? Parent of Z is the left child of its parent. So, basically it will come inside this condition. Now, then y is equal to right of p of pz, y is what? Y is the uncle of z. So, uncle of z basically will be d. So, this d will be assigned by y. So, y how? Y is equal to right of p of z. This is nothing but p of z, parent of z. So, right child of parent of z would become y. Just see here, y has been assigned over here. Now, if color of y is equal to red, it means this is the case 1. I already told you that in case 1 the color of y is red, then this would be the case 1. Otherwise, if z is the otherwise if color of y is not red, it is black. So, if z is the right child of its parent, this is the case 2nd. If it is left child of its parent, then it is the case 3rd. Similarly, if this is not the case, means if parent of z is not left child of its parent, so the case will be reversed. So, what will happen? We will replace this right word with the left word and all the algorithm will be same. Finally, if we come out from this while loop, exit out from this while loop, so finally the color of root always is done with the black color. Okay. Now, just see here we can understand it with some example how we can perform a insert operation. Just see here we need to insert a node 4 and first we will follow a binary search tree rule. So, 10 4 is less than 10. So, now compared with 3 4 is greater than 3. So, here it will compare with 6 4 is less than 6. So, it will come here 4 is less than 5, there are no more nodes. So, this 4 will be added as a left child of 5. Just see here. So, just see here 4 has been added as a left child of this node. Now, we will give a color red to this new node. So, what happened? Just see here 2 red color nodes have consecutively comes in the same path. So, this is a violation of property 4. Just see which is the case here. This is your z, this is your parent of z and this is parent of z, grandparent, and this is your y. Just see here, this is your y. The color of y is red. Just see here, color of parent of z is red and color of y is also red. So, this is case first. So, case first what we do? We recolor the color of its parent and its uncle also and also grandparent. The black color is assigned to both these two and red color is assigned to its grandparent. Just see here, case 1. So, 5 and 8 they are become black and grandparent is what? 6 becomes red. And then what happens? Then the parent of z becomes z. Now, this 6 will become z. Yes, now this 6 has become z. Now, see what is the case? Parent of z is red color, okay. This is parent of z, okay. Now, this is grandparent and this is our uncle y. So, uncle y color is black. So, it may be either case 2nd or case 3rd. Since z is the right child of its parent, so basically this is the case 2. So, what we need to? We need to apply case 2 and it will be converted to case 3. So, what we do in case 2? This parent of z will become this parent of z, case 2. So, z will become the parent of z, then we perform left rotation. So, if we perform left rotation, what will happen? The 6 will become, if we perform left rotation, so 6 will become parent and 3 will become the left child of 6. Just see here, 6 has become parent and 3 has become the left child of 6. Now, then what about this 5 and 4? This 5 4 will become the right child of 3 over here. Now, just see, now what is the case? This is your z, parent of z is red and its uncle y is black. So, this may be case 2 or case 3. Since z is the left child of its parent, so basically this is the case 3rd. So, we will apply a case 3rd over here. So, what we will do? We recolor, basically in case 3 what we do? We recolor the color of parent and also the color of grandparent. So, the color of 6 will become black, just see here, color of 6 will become black and color of 10 will become red. Then we will perform the right rotation. So, right rotation what? So, we with respect to parent of z. So, we using this node we will perform right rotation. So, 6 will become parent and 10 will become the right child. Now, the right child of this 6 will become the left child of 10 over here, just see. Now, just see, this is your z, this is your parent of z. Now, parent of z, color of parent of z has become black. So, now basically what happens? So, this will actually this is the invalid condition for the while loop. So, now the control will come out from the while loop and this is your final red black tree. So, this is how you can perform the insert operations. So, this is our algorithm. So, we start here y is equal to nil, x is equal to root. So, we start from the root node, we are taking another variable y in order to assign a parent node. So, x is searching that particular node and y is assigning its parent node. Now, just see here. So, it starts from 25 x. So, now while x is not equal to nil, no nil, then y is equal to x. So, here y is also assigned with this node. Now, if key of z is less than key of x, suppose we want to insert a 33 node. So, now 33, this key of z is what? 33 is compared with x, value of x is 25. So, 33 is less than 25? No. Then what will happen? So, we will move right sides, then we will move right side. So, we move here, here also. Now, again it will come to while loop, x is not real, yes, now this has become x. Now, 33 is compared with 40. So, 33 is less than 40, yes, now it will come to the left side of x. So, x was 35, so now x will 35 will become x. So, this is how this while loop works, and finally it reaches to 35. Now, just see here, now x is right of x. Now, the value of 33 and 35 compared, yes, now x, the left of x is what? Left of x is equal to nil. Now, it comes here, while loop condition false, gets false, it come out from this while loop. Now, what happens? This node is assigned by y over here. This node is assigned by y over here. Now, parent of z would, now definitely this 33 will be added as a left child here. So, this is your z. So, definitely this is your y, this is y. So, what happens? Parent of z will be y. Okay. Now, just see. Next, if y is equal to nil, this is your y and you need to add this 33 over here, this is your y. If y is equal to nil, it means the root of t will be z. It means you are inserting a new node in an empty red black tree. So, that z would become the root of t. Otherwise, what will happen? Otherwise, we will compare the key of z with key of y. If 33 is less than 35, so this z will be added, this z will be added as a left child of y. So, it will be added as a left child of y. Otherwise, if it is greater than 35, so it would be added as a right child of y. Now, just see, once we have inserted 33, its left pointer. So, what will happen? Its left pointer will be nil, its right pointer will be nil, and color of z is assigned red color. Already we have discussed that the newly node is inserted, we give the color red. Now, after insertion, we know that some violations may occur. So, we call RB insert fix up operation. So, we have called here RB insert fix up operation. Now, just see. So, this is what the RB insert fix up operation, and just see, if we going to analyze this arbitrary operations. So, all the operations would take a big O of h time, where h is the log of n, because red black tree is a balanced binary search tree. So, the value of h will be what? Value of h will be log of n base 2. This is also written as LGN. Now, just see, while loop repeats only if the case 1 is executed. So, what will happen? Maximum, how much time it will be repeated? So, it will be maximum repeated big O of LGN. So, it will follow a particular path. So, if we multiply this LGN with, and also we know that inserting a new node in red black tree, it takes big O of LGN time. Binary search tree takes big O of LGN time in order to insert a new node. and this while loop is repeated big O of LGN times. So, if we multiply these two, so basically what we get 2, so 2 times LGN. So, basically if we ignore the constant terms, the complexity comes big O of LGN. Similarly, if we perform the search operation, if we want to find out the successor, predecessor, we want to find out the minimum, maximum, if you want to delete a particular item, all those operations would take how much time? Big O of H, that is nothing but big O of LGN. So, this is the beauty of red black tree, that it always gives a guarantee that the height will always remain big O of LGN, hence the complexity comes a big O of LGN. Okay. Now, if you are just see here the analysis part of the red black tree, if we talk about the AVL tree, so in that case AVL tree is much more balanced than the red black tree. But the problem with AVL tree is that we need more number of rotations while we are going to insert a new node and delete a new node from a AVL tree. So, basically AVL tree requires more number of rotations. It may require I think 4, 5, 10, 20 also, while in case of red black tree it requires at most 2 rotations in every operations. If you are going to insert a new node or delete a new node, so it can have at most 2 rotations, even sometimes it requires only recoloring only. So, if we talk about insertion and deletion operations, and if we do not have frequent, if we have the frequent insertion and deletion operations also, in that case we will prefer the red black tree. While if we do not have frequent insertion and deletion operation, in that case we can prefer AVL tree. In other sense, since AVL tree is much more balanced than red black tree, so in that case if we talk about searching operations, so searching operation is faster in case of AVL tree in comparison to red black tree. So, this is what the difference between AVL tree and red black tree. Now, just see, already we have discussed all the operations, like if you want to search a particular element, if you want to find out the successor, want to find out the predecessor, want to find out the minimum element, maximum element, all those operations can take big O of LGN time, big O of H time, where H comes log of n base 2 if we talk about the height balanced tree. So, red black tree is basically a balanced tree. Another difference with the AVL tree and red black tree is that the AVL tree is perfectly balanced tree, while the red black tree is roughly balanced tree. So, in searching operations the AVL tree is preferred, while if we want to perform the insertion and deletion operation, so in that case red black tree is performed. So, this is all about the analysis of red black tree over here. Now, in next lecture we will discuss about the deletion of a node from a red black tree. Thank you very much.